What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I thought I'd just show you what we've got from my family in Samoa. So last night we went to pick up my brother, so he returned back from Samoa. He went for 4 weeks, so he brought us some stuff, well, a lot of stuff, but my bad, I forgot to take a video last night because I'm too excited to check what we've got, you know, from my parents, my sister and her family, and then a lot of people that we know that they bought us some stuff. There was so much, like today, well, my brother and my husband went to drop off some stuff, like sharing with our church family and then our extended family as well. But then I forgot for some reason. I was too busy eating my chips and my kikiseng as well. So I forgot. And then today when my husband said to bring other stuff for one of his friends, and then I was like, oh damn, I forgot to take a video. So I'll just show you a few things that we got left, because most of them we just share it with everyone. There you go, guys. So we got heaps of samko. This is what we call samko snack. I love eating this, so I told my sister that I want heaps of these. So we got like three big bucket, but we only got one left now. Oh, and then the small one. Sorry, those are my macas from last night. Didn't even finish eating, but they sell it in the big bag like this, guys. They sell it in the big bag, and then they sell it in the small one. It's the other one. So this is what we have left because we share it with everyone. We got some chips. We got these beans. It's so yummy though. It's called Kids Choice green beans, chicken flavor. So a lot of people love eating this. Me, not so much, but my husband and my brother, they are the only ones that can eat that. We got the twisties. I love these. My brother said there's no water. It comes in two flavor. So it's this one and the yellow one. So the yellow one I like. But I only bought this because we said they sold out. But there's heaps of people in Samoa right now. So that's why. And also, these are the only chips they have left as well. Because, like I said, there's heaps of people in Samoa. A lot of people visiting our country, which is nice. But then the nice chips that I always get, they don't have it anymore. Well, it's short in stock because everyone's buying it for their family. So this one we got it from this place. Yeah, nearly finished. And then this one we got it from this place in Watele. Okay, we got some cocoa. A lot of them are all gone for my family though. So those are the ones we got left. And then, as you can see, I'll show you one more time. We got samko, chips, green beans, twisties, kekisanga, masi. Oh, the masi is from this place, Victorine's Investment. So that's the one from Vaivasitai. The kekisanga. Oh yeah, they do have a label as well. So this one is from Sula. Yeah, so that's where we got the kikisanga from. And then just the rest of the goodies that we have left now. So there you go, guys. This is what we got from my mom and my sister in Samoa. So these are the ear lava. From there we've got 4. So these ones are basically just me and my husband's stuff. So you got a shirt from Evingi, but we didn't want any more shirts because we got a lot of stuff from Evingi and everyone's wearing these shirts, so it's quite popular. So you only got one. I got a pair with this beautiful say. So apparently they don't have the normal material for beer anymore. So So they have now, the new trend is they do it in a stretchy material. So that is what I've got. Oh, sorry guys. So that is the design. So I got a skirt and a top. Skirt and top, and my say with my husband, well, matching with my husband's shirt, or just this color. It's quite nice. It's nice to have like different pattern and style. And then he got a shirt from my mom with matching bear, my matching bear, and then the say. So my one, like I said, this is the new bear that they have. So it comes with in a stretchy material. This one is quite heavy though, maybe because of the colors. So I got the top and the skirt. So there you go guys. So I got the top and the skirt. This one, they're also nice with the say. Then he got his aloha with my matching bear, and then shirt from Evany. I love this color though, by the way. And then all three, well, 1, 2, 4. Oh my gosh, I can't even count. And then we've got 4 lava lava. So I like this one. Says Jesus is my savior. So yeah, so these are the stuff that we've got. Thank you to my family in Samoa, especially my parents, my mom and my sister and her husband, for gifting us these lovely offal for us. Thank you. And then the yummy goodies, of course. Can't wait to finish it all. Oh, and I'll show you, my brother bought some fish as well. So I think most of them are all gone. And they eat some in the morning too. So there you go guys. So they wrap it when they give it to people. But this is, we call this a bonge fish. I know I don't eat fish though. So, but most of them are all gone. And then he was so lucky because one of his friends that he bought stuff from Samoa, he came with bawa. I know if you guys eat this, but yeah. So this guy, he said, yeah, sure, bring it. So he got the bawa. So he's gonna eat it by himself. In China, I don't eat seafood at all. Thanks for watching guys. So I'll make sure next time if someone comes back from Samoa, I'll show you what we got first before we share with everyone else. So but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See ya.
Been too long since I've heard from my baby. Ooh. No text, no reply from you. I know it hits differently, baby. 2-3 days since I last seen you, baby. Ooh. Can't no wait to see you, baby. Cause you're my belly, yeah. Ooh. Belly, yeah. You're my belly, yeah. Ooh. Belly, yeah. No, 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 no. Belly, yeah. You're my belly. Ooh. Belly, yeah. Yeah, you're my belly. Let me